Hi guys, and welcome back to PowerShell GPT Agent Engineering. In part 1, we covered the built-in placeholders. We learned how to use placeholders like agent name, browser state, and model's response to make our scripts aware of the application's state. Today, we're taking the next giant leap. We're going to explore what is arguably one of the most flexible and powerful features in PowerShell GPT, the dynamic keyword command. So, what exactly is a keyword command? It's a special type of saved command, whether it's PowerShell, JavaScript, or even a prompt, that allows you to create a dynamic template. You create a command name that contains the keyword placeholder, and the text or code inside the saved command also has the keyword placeholder. When you issue a voice command, PowerShell GPT intelligently extracts the words that were spoken where the keyword placeholder was situated in the command's name. It then replaces the keyword placeholder in your code or prompt with the words that were extracted. Okay, theory is one thing. Let's put this into practice. We'll start with a simple PowerShell echo command, but instead of a fixed word, we're going to use our keyword placeholder. This is the part that's going to get swapped out. Now, the crucial step. When we save the command, the name itself must also contain the keyword placeholder. This is how PowerShell GPT knows which part of our speech is the variable. We'll save it as display keyword in PowerShell. All set. Now, watch this. Computer. Display this is amazing in PowerShell. And there it is. The command we created was executed, but with our spoken words seamlessly injected. It's that simple and that powerful. Let's head over to Browser GPT and see how it works with JavaScript. We'll do the same thing, but this time with a simple alert command. We write our template using keyword where we want our message to go, and we save it with a natural spoken style name, making sure to include our keyword placeholder exactly where we need it. Computer. Say this is great in the browser. And there you go, guys. It works perfectly across both system and web environments. This transforms a simple command into an intelligent building block. You can chain these dynamic commands together, have one command's output become the keyword for the next, and build incredibly sophisticated agentic workflows. This feature alone unlocks unlimited potential. That concludes part 2, guys. Until the next time, have fun, stay safe.